Hello everyone, welcome to Real Programmers. Today I am going to show how you can install Node.js in Ubuntu operating system or any Linux distribution. There are many ways you can install Node.js. Node.js is an open source software cross-platform which runs JavaScript on server side and uses Chrome V8 engine. One way we can install using adding repos in your OS or installing using downloaded files, etc. I'm going to show the easiest way to install and manage your versions of Node.js. First, let's head to the browser and search snapd. First link you can see snapcraft.io. Click on it, and snapd is a third-party package manager. It has a large scale and popular softwares inside. You can check the website and install snapd in your operating system. It has various distribution. Here you can see it also has Ubuntu. Click on the store and search Node for Node.js. You can see first result, it's Node. Here you can see it's an verified account and the publisher is OpenJS Foundation, so you don't have to worry about the versions management. So here we can head to the official website and check here. It says version 16 as a recommended for most users, and the latest version and current version is 17. So let's head back to the snap and click on install. Here you can see the command you need to run in terminal. Before that, we can try installing using the latest version 17. Here you can copy this command which has channel 17 stable. Copy this command, open the terminal, paste it in here, and it will ask for the password. Oh, it says already installed. Let's see what version we have. It has 17. Sorry, it has 16. So we can uninstall it using sudo snap remove node. We want 17, so currently we have 16. Once we remove, we can check if it doesn't have npm -v, it doesn't have, so paste the command and run it. Now version 17 is installed. Now you can see version 17 and -npm -v, both are installed. So this way you can install Node.js. So we can make directory. Let's check how it works. cd node code dot, remove this, open terminal, npm init -y, it's created. Create a file, index.js. In here we can console log. Working perfectly fine. Node run in terminal, node dot, working perfectly fine. Here in this way you can install Node.js using the snapd, and it's easy to manage the versions, so you don't have to worry. Next, if you're looking for hosting servers, there is this one website called Domain Razor. Here you can get your domains with the starting price of 70 till 1k. And if you're looking for hosting, web hosting, you can click on web hosting and the starting price for web hosting is 60 rupees per 59 rupees per month. As you can see, it gives only 1 GB SSD space and 5 GB of bandwidth, 10 email IDs. If you increase like 40 rupees, you will get unlimited storage, unlimited email address, unlimited bandwidth. Yeah, this these are all. uh, this is the website. It has so many features inside. It has SSD disk, cPanel, and free SSL certified. So that's all from my end. Please do like this video, subscribe to Real Programs. I'll see you in the next video.